Guys, well, this video is for everyone out there who's bored. If you're bored, it's okay. I'm in my kitchen / dining room right now. My cat Chef, come here. Watch all those birds up there. Very small birds, but they're there. Watch them. And Carly, she's right here. Here's my backyard. Has lots of leaves because it's autumn. But it's pretty awesome. Well, yeah, this is for everyone who's out there who's bored. Look at Trev, Carly, and me. So, yeah. Peace. Oh yeah, and a bubble one.